Warmly welcome to all of you. In previous lecture, we have seen the significance of a transpiration. In this lecture, we are going to see what are the anti-transparent or what is the anti-transpiration. The meaning and the concept inside the word. Anti means opposite, and the transpiration that means water loss. It is a concept related the anti-transparent are the component that reduce the rate of transpiration. These are the chemical or physical agent which reduce the rate of transpiration by closing the stomatal aperture. Anti-transparent are used in agriculture practices to control the loss of water through the through the stomata under the water stress condition. Hence, the anti-transparent are chemical which are applicable to the crop plants reduce the transpiration. It also has a chemical agent or the physical agent which helps to the loss of water from a plant, which helps loss of water avoided from a plant. It is needed to the stress condition of a water. Anti-transparent used to design. The term anti-transparent used to design any material applied to plant the purpose of retarding a transpiration, useful for the reducing the transplantation shock nursery of a plant in a horticultural plant. It is one of the shock plant. Shock plant means if any plant are doing the more transpiration but there is a water condition, it is a low. For that purpose shock treatment are given, due to which there are electric charge passed through the stomatal guard cell, and due to which stomata become a clothes. Applied transparent plant surface for the reducing the water loss. Anti-transparent are the compound to the leaves of a plant to reduce the transpiration. They used to Christmas tree on a cut flowers on a newly transplanted shrubs and the other application to preserve the protect the plant from drying out to loss quickly. They have been protected from the leaves from the salt burn and the fungal diseases. That are the simple mechanism. Christmas tree, okay. Then cut flowers. When we are cutting that flower, water percentage are remaining there, but there is a transpiration or occurring in that. For that purpose it is a drying. For the commercial use it is a drying, it is not valuable. For that purpose they should have the loss of water will be avoided. For that purpose transparent apply on this plant. In this figure there are the two plants are given, transparent and the non-transparent, that is treated and the non-treated. In a treated plant anti-transparent will applicable, and the non-treated plant anti-transparent it is not applicable. Let's see types of anti-transparent. First, it is a stomatal closing type, means which are used for the stomata closing. Fungicides like a phenyl mercuric acetate and the herbicide like atrazine lower concentration serve as an anti-transparent, inducing the stomatal closing. That are the chemicals that used for the stomatal closing. These reduce the photosynthesis. PMA was found the decrease the transpiration than the photosynthesis. ABA induce the closure of a stomata. Then stomatal inhibitor. Stomatal inhibitor means reduces transpiration, that also the anti-transparent. Large number of synthetic compound are available which reduce the stomatal opening, by hindering the stomatal mechanism. Several herbicide, fungicide, growth regulator act as an inhibitor stomatal opening. One of the most widely used transparent compound is acetyl salicylic acid is used to the low concentration endogenous reported in a some plant. That are the stomatal inhibitor. Stomatal inhibitor means a anti-transparent. Then film forming type of a anti-transparent. Film forming type of a anti-transparent. Plastic and waxy material which form the thin film on the lip surface. Result of a reduction of transpiration rate and the photosynthesis. That are the actual mechanism of a film forming type. If on the leaf there is a plastic or the waxy coating are present, there is no relation of light, and if there is no relation of light, no temperature will be occur. If there is no temperature, then transpiration rate also reduces. For example, silicone oil, ethyl alcohol, polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene, and the polypropylene, that are the film coating. For that purpose, anti-transparent will be act as a film forming chemical. Basically, inert compound form a film over a leaf that cover the stomata and thus the reduces the cuticular transpiration. Some of the commonly used emulsion: dimethyl silicone, polyethylene, plastic film, hexadecnol, choline, sometimes wax emulsion, spray with the film coating compound. However, the most of these emulsion or film coating reduces the CO2 and O2 exchange, not prefer the ideal compound used in agriculture. The compound used should be permit the exchange of gases but preclude the water vapor. That are the film forming compound. Reflectance type: water material which form the coating on a leaves and they increase the leaf reflectance. White material forming which a coating on a leaf and which increase the leaf reflectance. Means that on a leaf they have make a white coating due to which increase the leaf reflectance. Choline 5% spray reduces the transpiration loss. Diatomaceous earth, hydrated lime, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, zinc sulfate. That are the reflectance due to which a transpiration also avoided. Features of an anti-transparent: it is a non-toxic, non-permanent damage of stomata mechanism, specific effect on a guard cell but not to the other cell. Effect of stomata should be persist at least for 1 week and chemical material should be cheap and readily available. Phenyl mercuric acid at 35 ppm, cholinite, it is at 5%, spray on a onion seedling 30, 50, 70 and 90 days after the transplanting. Irrigation was withheld week before the spraying. Anti-transparent causes the 27 to 40% stomatal closure. Reduction varies from the 22 to 56% depending on the cultivar. That are the overall about the anti-transparent and its types. Remaining parts we see in next lecture.